Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Jewelry Spot. I'm really glad to be here with you this beautiful Sunday, and I have a pair of gold earrings to make. I usually deal in like silver tones, or sometimes I'll use stainless steel, but today I've got some gold-plated hoops. And this is memory wire, and I'm gonna make a pretty tan, neutral color of earring for you. And so, just to do a little bit of catching up, I'm on the road to 1,000 in a couple of different areas of my life. I've got 906 sales in Etsy, and I'm very thankful for that. And I think 926 subscribers, and so I'm on the road to 1,000. Very, very thankful for everybody's support and everybody that watches me. So, wonderful people are in the YouTube community and our subscribers, and thank you so much for your support. Okay, so I've got some memory wire, and you can pick this up at like Hobby Lobby or on Amazon, but it's just gold-plated memory wire. This is how I make my large hoops, or some of them. And see, I've already made one there, and like this one, and I'll show you how I attach it and follow through with a jump ring, and then an ear wire, and it just makes a really nice, pretty pair of gold hoops. So I just wanted to show you the memory wire, what it looks like, in case you would like to buy some sometime. I believe the company is Beaded. That's the one I use. And let's see, I put a snippet with my pliers here, the rings, and then I use my needle nose plier at the end here to make a like a loop. And then I just start beading. So these are tan Picasso beads. I've made things with these lots of times. These seem to be kind of one of the popular beads. So, and also I know lots of people like neutral colors, creams, tans, things like that. And this would pretty much go with anything, you know, any outfit. Nice neutral tones, so I can see why it's a favorite bead. These are not going to take too long to make. I just wanted to come do a little chit chat today and share my my video. I know a lot of you were saying happy wishes for my husband, and I appreciate that. He's doing better, and so I'm thankful for that. He is healing. So I know it's let's see, we just had Halloween, right? So now we're into Thanksgiving season and Christmas season. So I've been a little busy. Things have picked up a little bit this week. I had been, I won't say in a slump in Etsy, but I think my sales had slowed down a little bit. Some of the things that I have to remember to do are like do different things in the shop daily. Like maybe reword a listing, try new SEO on an old listing that maybe isn't performing well, change my announcement in the shop. There's just many different things I can do daily to improve a listing that might not be performing well. And it also, by being in the shop daily, it shows Etsy, you know, that I'm an active shop. I don't just have things there and you know, not doing anything. It lets them know that there's a real person there, you know, making things and doing things for customers and things like that. And so during the work week, I don't always have a new listing. I heard one person say a great strategy is to put one new thing in your shop every day. And what I have in the past, what I've done is I might put 5 things in one day, and so I've learned that that might not be the best thing. But with a full-time job, I have to do what I'm able to as well. So my pattern in the past had been to on Saturday and Sunday pretty much make new things and have multiple new listings. But what I'm learning is it's probably better just to do one a day. So I did make one new listing yesterday, one new one today. So I have to kind of gauge and see, if that strategy is going to work for me. I have to do that, maybe one new listing for every day for 30 days. That's a challenge for myself. And what better time of year for that to work for me? The holiday season, people might be trying to make purchases for family or whatnot, for Christmas. So I hadn't even thought of that till just now. I think I just gave myself a challenge, the 30-day challenge. So today is November 6th. I have until December 6th to see if traffic picks up due to that one new listing a day strategy. So as soon as I get done with this, wow, that's cool. I just came up with a challenge. I think I'm gonna need to take one of these beads off. Some people like the more traditional hoop earrings, and some seem to like these that have the ear wire on them. They're just easy to just throw in your ear. And so I'm really glad I learned how to make these. Okay, so there the hoops are, and then I have to attach my my gold-plated jump rings. And I've seen people use the large jump rings. I have always used the small ones. And let's see, what have I done with my gold jump rings? I just had them. There they are. These are also gold-plated. It's a goal of mine to get more into gold-filled material. It's a little more pricey, but I said pricey, I meant pricey. Gold filled, they say, is like I guess the next best thing to like 14 karat gold. So I've got that one, and I got one more jump ring to add here. I hope my camera skills will do for the day and everybody can see what I'm doing. So those are the things that are going on with me. Always working and praying and living, thanking God for every day. And being really thankful for Etsy shop success, and really praying for that to keep growing and on into the new year. Very thankful for it. If I had asked myself 5 years ago, do you know in 5 years you're gonna have your own business? I would definitely have said no. I never thought of it. So these are the hoops, and then now of course I have to add my ear wire. And I have shown these before in the shop. These are in my videos, in past videos. These are gold-plated French ear wires. And you can see me do a little bit with a gold tone item instead of always the silver tones. That was the inspiration for today. Little gold. Okay, and there's one hoop. And now I've got to find one more. Another gold ear wire. I like gold, but I think one of my favorite things right now to work with is stainless steel. But yeah, gold is always pretty. And of course the materials are like hypoallergenic, so that's good. All right, and there we have it. These are about 2-inch gold hoop earrings. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something, or I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, bye-bye.